Hello everyone, welcome to Meridian Overseas. This is a very important update. If you are a student who's applying for summer semester or winter semester, the process of German study visa process is completely changed started from Feb. Until now, we all know how the visa process works for Germany. It is very slow. For that, student has to wait up to 3 months. As a result, they miss their intake. So, the German Foreign Ministry has launched a new consular service portal which is going to speed up the entire process and also reduce the bureaucracy. Their goal is to shift every visa categories into the new portal so the process can be done smoothly. From 17th February 2025, the new visa process has been already started. So, if you are applying for visa process for summer intake, you have to start your process from the new portal. So if you are interested for Germany visa process, you can visit Meridian Overseas.